I'm going to be doing a book review on a book titled Heidi Heckelbeck, The Cookie Contest. Heidi Heckelbeck itself is a series of books where Heidi uses her magical powers as a witch to help her get through everyday life. Unfortunately, most of her spells go wrong and she has to find a way to solve the problem by herself. Today, at the cookie contest, Heidi needs to make her own cookies and uses her dad's old family recipe. Unfortunately, she thinks that they are too plain and uses her magical powers to give it a little pizzazz. On the front cover page, you can see that the new cookies Henry smelled are disgusting. They have an awful smell, which means it will be unpleasant to eat. Heidi must have done something wrong with the cookies. Can Heidi win the cookie contest? I would rate this book 4 out of 5 stars. I would rate this book 4 out of 5 stars because it has a good description on what Heidi sees and has beautiful illustrations throughout the book by Priscilla Burris. Word of the day! The word of the day is blue ribbon. Blue ribbon is award-winning or of the finest quality. Thanks for watching this episode of The Reading Rookie. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comments at my Facebook page on how I can improve, math methods you would like me to review, and books you would like me to review too. See you next time. Bye!